Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at the Hogue EX series of American-made folding knives, available at knifecenter.com. Founded in 1968, Hogue has been serving the firearms industry for decades with precise engineering and American craftsmanship. In collaboration with renowned custom knife maker Allen Elishewitz, they've recently turned their attention to the world of tactical knives and have been making waves with manufacturing tolerances second to none and some of the best factory edges in the industry. They're so good that iconic firearm manufacturers SIG Sauer and HK have both partnered with Hogue to produce their bladed offerings. Hogue's EX03 series of knives is a favorite of ours that goes head-to-head well against juggernauts like the Benchmade Griptilian and the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. The handle is made from a single-piece injection-molded glass-filled polymer that gives the knife an extreme level of durability while also eliminating the need for extra hardware or a backspacer. Drop point and tanto profiles are available in a 3.5 or 4-inch length, made from stonewashed 154 cm stainless steel with that fantastic Hogue Factory Edge. The killer feature on this knife is the use of the button lock, allowing for a variety of deployment and closing techniques. It provides hours of entertainment for those who like to fidget, and also acts as a great safety feature because your hand never crosses the path of the blade while it's closing. If you desire more premium handle material, the EX01 packs in all the same things we love about the EX03, but uses G10 or aluminum handle scales for a nicer feel in the hand, while also making the knife even more balanced. Want the premium materials but in a more compact package? Look no further than the X1-Microflip, with its speedy deployment and CPM 154 steel. To get your hands on these or any of Hogue's excellent knives, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. To keep up with all our knife-related content, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the meantime, be sure to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at knifecenter.com and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.